Today on Octavia Beauty, we are going to be doing a soft glam look with a pop of color on the bottom, which is this very, very beautiful blue. I was hoping to create this look with the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette by itself, but unfortunately, I did have to dip into my soft glam palette because the Metropolis palette does not have like this lighter shade. It has a lighter shade in there, but it's a shimmer shade like this. If we're gonna focus today, no, we're not gonna focus today, camera. So it doesn't have a lighter shade like this in there that is a matte shade. The shade that it does have in it is like a pearl type shade, which is this one, which is really a pearl type of a shade. And then we have this shade and this yellow shade down here. So we was just missing one shade, but all of the other colors came out of the Metropolis palette, which is one of my favorite palettes, and as well as the soft glam. So that's how I got this beautiful look. If you guys like this type of video, this is basically a get ready with me and me doing my makeup. I like doing these videos where I just sit down and I film and I add the music, and then there's no narration, so you just get to watch the makeup. For some reason, I think like that's my niche because that's what I like to do. So if you enjoy this type of content and would like to see more of it on my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you are already subscribed to the channel, please consider becoming a notification beauty so you never miss an upload. And you guys, let's just go ahead and get into the makeup.
And no one's there, and you wonder who even cares. Oh, come back to your breath, don't drift away from me. I will come down to remind you of before. We can fly away. Your best kept secrets underground. Oh. Your hand on my chest, my heart beats for you. I keep my arms out and hold you like before. We can fly away from here. We can stay close, my dear, swept up and away from all our fears. How are we supposed to know on our own? Together we can go slow. for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better, better truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better, better truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need, oh, I need. I need the better, better you. Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new. Now it's in the papers, all I seem to see. Must be something underneath. Take two, I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, 'cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the hate with you staring across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. Fire when the strobe hits you.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring across the room. something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. I feel the heat, fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too.
Your shadow stretching on the floor while the sun gets low. I got a feeling that the glow deep inside my core needs to breathe to flow. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. No obstacles that we faced did ever slow us down. We knew we'd get here, went the extra mile in every race. We are duty bound. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. We give it our best, but sometimes we need to stop to see what we have assessed. I'm grateful about everything, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day.
You guys, I am back with the final look. I think this look just turned out so bomb, so beautiful. I enjoyed it. I was planning to do this look with just the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, but the Metropolis palette just did not have that lighter shade in here like the Soft Glam palette did. Like this right here. If you want a Soft Glam look, I mean, you can do it with just the Soft Glam palette. I've done plenty of Soft Glam looks with the Soft Glam palette. I love this palette. It's one of the best eyeshadow palettes. As far as Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, this is probably one of my more worn palettes. It probably don't look like it to you guys, but most of my palettes I've only used a couple of times. This one I know I've used several times. It's seen lots of love. You can see some dents in a couple of shades. So it's definitely like probably my most used palette, because I have so many. I don't use them very often when I do use them, so they're not as worn. But this one is pretty worn. I also been using my Soft Glam palette like a lot lately, so it's probably also another one of my most worn palettes. I don't know if you guys can see it, probably not, but yeah, it's pretty worn. But I think my Metropolis palette is a little bit more worn than the Soft Glam palette is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Y'all make sure you follow me on my Instagram, because on my Instagram I do post pictures and videos of the look on the day that the video is released, and then sometimes I do sneak peek photos where I'll show a look before it is released on the YouTube channel. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram so you do not miss all of that jazz. And I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Bye bye.